Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you want to check for your Snapchat story screenshots and are wondering who has done so, in today's video we will be guiding you through the basic method and simplest method in order to find it. So you can start by opening up the Snapchat application on your device, and once you are here, you can go to your profile icon by tapping on your Bitmoji or your story icon in the top left corner. And once you tap on it, it should basically open up your profile here. All you gotta do is basically scroll through the given options and find a story section with a story under a circle or between the listing available. So you just need to go ahead and find this particular story in which you want to view who has screenshotted it. So let's say this is the story I have. So all you gotta do is view it. And on your story in the bottom left corner, you should be finding a viewer options, or eye icon, and another icon is an airplane icon indicating that if somebody has screenshotted it, it will basically go ahead and view the listing. So you just need to tap on the screenshot option and it will show you who has screenshotted your story on your Snapchat application. And you can only see who has screenshotted your story while the story is active, typically within 24 hours of posting. If you want to view it after 24 hours, it is not possible. So if you want to view who has screenshotted, you can basically go ahead and view it within 24 hours, and that should allow it. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd like to go ahead and check who has screenshotted your story, that's it. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.